Hi lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, you're welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. So without too much talk, let's get down to business. In this video, I'm going to share my wash day routine to you guys. I like to start off with a pre-poo treatment before anything. Before I go further, I would like us to understand the meaning of pre-poo. Is a pre-shampooing treatment that you apply before shampooing your hair. Any treatment that you apply on your hair before shampooing is called pre-poo. Importance of pre-pooing before shampooing your hair. Number 1. Moisture retention. Shampooing can strip natural oil from your hair. Pre-pooing creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture before the cleansing process begins. Number 2. Easier detangling. Applying oil or conditioner or any treatment before shampooing softens the hair, making it easier to detangle and reduce breakage. Number 3. Damage prevention. It shades your strands from harsh shampoo ingredients. Number 4. Improve conditioner performance. Pre-pooing prepare your hair to absorb conditioner more effectively, leading to softer, stronger locks. Number 5. Scalp nourishment. Some pre-poo treatments also target the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth and reducing dryness. Things you can use for pre-pooing: aloe vera, flaxseed gel, okra gel, oil treatments like coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, or any oil of your choice. But I will advise you to use penetrating oil. That will be better. So guys, in this video I used aloe vera as my pre-poo. Please don't mind my applicator bottle. I don't have applicator bottle, so I have to improvise by using this Goya plastic bottle that I have finished the oil. So if you don't have applicator bottle, let it not be an excuse for you not to do your pre-poo treatment using aloe, flaxseed or any other thing. You can improvise by using a plastic. Use needle to make small holes on the bottle cap, and that is it. Your applicator bottle is ready. So after applying my pre-poo, I like to go in with my finger to gentle detangle. Finger detangle has been a game changer to my hair. So ever since I learned how to finger detangle, my hair has been improving. Like my hair health has improved dramatically. So you have to learn how to finger detangle, because with you using your finger to detangle, you can feel the knots. You can feel wherever you feel knots, you can use your hand to separate it. But if you are using comb to detangle, you will not know where knot is or not. Though I'm not perfect in finger detangle, I still use a wide tooth comb, but like using my finger to detangle first has helped my hair a lot. So if you are a natural hair girl like me, you need to learn how to finger detangle your hair for your hair health. So after pre-pooing my hair, I like to cover it and let it sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how much time I have at hand. So after leaving it for 30 minutes to 1 hour, it's time for me to wash my hair. I like to first of all saturate my hair with water before going in with shampoo. How many times I shampoo my hair depends on how dirty my hair is. If it is too dirty, I shampoo 2 times or 3 times. But if it is not, I shampoo just once, and that will be it. So after rinsing out the shampoo, I go in with my tin rays. Well, I love using tea rays. In this video, I use hibiscus flower tea and Lipton tea for my tea rays. After my tea rays, I follow suit with my deep conditioner, in which once after applying it, I go into detangle with my finger once again before going in with my comb to detangle properly. And after doing all that, I cover my hair and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes before raising it out. And before I forget, I love working in sessions. Yes, it is very important. If you have natural hair to work in sessions, it makes the work easier for you. When I started my pre-poo treatment, I I I sectioned my hair in 6 sessions, but as I was pre-pooing and going, I divide each session uh, in 2 places again to make the work more easier for me. So after deep conditioning my hair, I twist it, and that is how I do with all my treatments, like my pre-poo or deep conditioner treatments. So guys, I went ahead and erased my hair, the deep conditioner behind the camera. This is me rushing to moisturize my hair. Yes, I was really rushing because my kids have closed from school. I need to go and pick them up, and I don't want to carry my hair like that without moisturizing it. So I rush and moisturize it using my hair cream and sealing in the moisture with my hair butter. After that, I went ahead and oiled my scalp, and that was that for my wash day routine. Hope you learned something from this. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.